Hi everybody, welcome back to Signing with CC, and today we're going to be doing verse 1 and 2 and the chorus of Someday at Christmas by Stevie Wonder. So verse 1, it goes, someday at Christmas men won't be boys. So first word, someday. So you rub the back of your hand like this, some, and make the letter D. Put your hand like this, day. Someday. Christmas, you keep your hand in the same position and make the letter C. Letter C. Place it forward, rock it back and forth. In most cases, you can do it once or twice. Christmas. Men. Touch. Make your thumb stick out. Touch your forehead. And then open it and touch your chest. Men. Boys, touch the brim of your head like you're wearing a cap and tap it twice. Open your hand twice. Boys. So let's do the line again. Someday Christmas men boys. I cut out some of the words for pacing of the song. The next line, playing with bombs like kids play with toys. So playing, make the letter Y with both hands, turn it inwards to you and flash it. Playing. Bombs, make a fist with both hands, put the right hand on top like this, and you're going to open it like something is exploding. Bombs. Kids, you're tapping the heads of children, so you go like this. More than one children. Kids. Toys, you're actually going to spell the word toy. So the letter T, put your thumb between your index finger and your middle finger. T. The letter O. Y. So toy. T. O. Y. So we're going to do that line again. Playing with bombs like kids play with toys. One warm December. So warm, have your hands closed, put it by your mouth and open like warm breath of air. Warm, warm. December, you're going to spell the first three letters D-E-C. So the letter D, E, can do it like this or like this, E, and the letter C. D, E, C. Hearts. Use your index finger and draw a heart over your chest. Heart, heart. C, make a peace sign with your finger with the index finger pointing forward. Touch your eye or under your eye and bring it out. C, C. So one warm December, hearts will see a world where men are free. For world, the letter W. World. Men. Free. Make a cross in front of your chest with the right hand in front and open it, so it's like breaking up chains. Free, freedom, free. So world, men, free. Alright, that was verse 1. Now verse 2, someday at Christmas there'll be no wars. So we already know some day at Christmas. There means to point that way, and sometimes you can do it like this if you're gesticulate into a wide range of subjects or places. So there, no, put the, what the heck? No, index finger and middle finger, and they touch the thumb like this. No. No. Wars. Oh, you're going to use both hands. Open the fingers, and it's like you're trying to smash something that wasn't meant to be smushed. So war. Wars. So let's go again. Someday at Christmas there'll no wars. When we have learned what Christmas is for. So when, left index finger up, right index finger is going to make a circle, stop at the tip. Circle. When. Learn. Palm, left hand palm up, right hand open. It's like taking knowledge and putting it into your head. Learn. Grab. Learn. Christmas, you already know Christmas. 4, index finger, put it at your head, flick it away. 4. So let's go. When, learn, Christmas is for. Next line, when we have found what life's really worth. So again, when, find, daintily pick it up with your index finger and your thumb. Life, you're going to make the letter L with both hands. L. You're going to bring it up from your waist, turn it upside down. You're going to start from your waist, bring it up. Life. Life's worth. You're going to make the letter F with both fingers. Well, this is F, but open the fingers. And you're going to put them together, the O parts. Worth. Worth. So when, find life's worth. The next line, there'll be peace on earth. So point there, peace. So you're going to smush your palms, put your palms together like this in opposite direction, and you're going to turn them and open. Peace. Peace. And earth, palm facing down, left hand palm facing down, right hand holds on to it and rocks. Earth. There, peace on earth. The line, someday all our dreams will come to be. Someday, dreams. So this is dream for the thoughts that appear in your head when you're asleep. So you make a letter C with your hand, put it against your chest and bring it down. Dream. And then you put your index finger at your head and pull it away. So this is dream. Dream. 2, index fingers, put the right hand on top. 2, B, make the letter B, put it at your chin, B, pull it away. Someday, dream to be. Someday in a world where men are free. Someday, men free. We already learned these words. Free. Maybe not in time for you and me. So we're going to just go from not in time. So not, push out your thumb, put it at your chin and pull it away. Not time, the handy where you watch on your left hand, and touch it with your index finger time for, and you could just go straight into you and me. For you, point at the person, you and me. So not in time for you and me, but someday at Christmas time. So someday at Christmas time. And that was the chorus of Someday at Christmas. Well, turns out it was verse 1 alone. I'll post verse 2 and 3 soon. So I hope you guys find this tutorial easy to follow. Thank you.